let people feel understood. And if they want to know our opinion, they'll ask. Now they have psychological air to where they'll actually be open to what we have. Otherwise, they're so full of stuff, they don't have any room for the opinion. You see how that works? If I were to suck the air out of your room right now, would you be listening to what I had to say? No, you wouldn't. The only thing you'd be thinking about is air. I need air. And that's what people need. They need psychological air. And when you extend a listening ear and a listening heart to another person, you're giving them psychological air. And then they might ask you your opinion. Doesn't matter. I mean, if they do, great. But I believe that because we're all expressions of spirit, because we have access to the kingdom of God within, everyone has answers inside of themselves. See, so when you give someone an opportunity to talk and you help understand them, what happens? They tune into their own answers. Haven't you ever shared with somebody and gotten something off your chest, and in the process you're like, thank you for listening, I know what to do now. That's what I'm going to do. You just had to get the gobbledygook out of your system. You had to get some clarity of thought, and having someone listen helped you do that so you could get in touch with your answers. And I believe really that's a ministry. You're helping people get in tune with themselves. Yeah. We want people to find their own answers. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.